Meteorologist Jackie Laird. Jackie, yeah, the shade is all well and good. Oliver, my dog, has already learned that, but even he can't stay out there for too long.
I know. And I mean, it's only going to get hotter as we look ahead towards tomorrow and Friday. So yes, definitely want to check in on Oliver and all those pets too to make sure that they are also staying safe in all of this dangerous heat. And in terms of challenging some records, Dulles Airport actually broke their record for the day today. That high of 97 degrees, replacing that old record of 96 set back in 2012. DC, we had that high of 96. We weren't quite too close to that old record of 102 that was set back in 1901. So again, we had that high of 96 degrees here in the district. And in terms of temperatures out there right now, we're still holding in the middle 90s in the district. Upper 80s in Annapolis and Lexington Park, and we're still seeing those mid to upper 90s up and down the I-81 corridor and even right around Hagerstown too. But dew points, this really made a bit of a difference out there today. The dew points well into those 70s for much of the region, making it feel much hotter. So let's talk about those feels like temperatures. It's not ideal to be outside at this moment in time. 108 degrees, what it feels like in DC, 109 out towards Manassas, 102 in Hagerstown. I still keep seeing this reading out towards Leesburg, 115 degrees, what it feels like if you're stepping out right there. So now everyone breathe in a sigh of relief as we take that live look out towards Annapolis Harbor. I know a lot of people trying to beat this heat, making sure that you're staying cool, staying hydrated. I mean, this is day one of this brutal heat. As we look ahead towards tomorrow and Friday, likely going to be even hotter. So again, make sure that everyone is staying safe. Extreme heat warning has been issued for Thursday as well as Friday. That's from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. In any of these areas, we're talking about those heat index values upwards of 110 degrees both days. Now, a wider view of the heat-related alerts, still that extreme heat warning out towards the Midwest as well. So wherever you're traveling, maybe for the 4th of July holiday weekend, again, heads up, especially if you're in the eastern half of the United States. Overnight lows tonight, not much relief, back in the mid to upper 70s across much of the region. We'll continue to monitor, those high temperatures for the day tomorrow because we could be breaking, or at least challenging, more record high temperatures for the day tomorrow. We're looking at highs across the map, and yes, these are air temperature high temperatures. 103 for DC, 102 in Hagerstown, 104 down towards Fredericksburg, with those feels like temperatures upwards of 110 at times. So not only Thursday, but we're also checking Friday, and Friday, that'll be the peak of our heat. That heat index upwards of 110. Saturday, a high temperature of 99 degrees. If we were to reach 100 degrees on the 4th of July, that would tie the long-standing record that was set back in 1919 on the 4th of July for DC. So we'll continue to monitor that. So again, very close, but we're also looking at still a humid day with isolated thunderstorm chances, especially developing later into the evening. Some heat-related illnesses, some of the symptoms, making sure that you know the difference. But heat exhaustion, we're talking dizziness, heavy sweating, nausea, and weakness. And if left untreated, it can become heat stroke. So just want to keep that in mind. With a heat stroke, though, that's more so you stop sweating and you just have very dry skin. You may become confused, which could be leading to becoming unconscious. And if you are experiencing those heat stroke symptoms, definitely want to make sure to seek or at least call 911 and seek medical attention there. 7-day outlook, though. Again, tomorrow, Friday, that's the peak of this heat. Upper 90s Saturday and Sunday. Still want to make sure both of those days you are still taking that heat seriously too. Lower 90s as we start off that next week. Still rain around Monday and Tuesday, a storm chance. Right around 90 though by next Wednesday. And yes, I think 90 is going to feel much better compared to the triple digits for the end of this week. But also 90, that's pretty typical for this time of the year.